because of the Lakshya Sampurn Swasth campaign, we are very keen to know how you have collectively gone far away to a place like Silchar in Assam and worked on cancer patients. And how far and how effective has this been? And why particularly did you choose Assam and Silchar?
So going away to Silchar from Chennai is not a very big thing. So people go away from Chennai to Chicago. The other side of the globe. Completely different environment, different language, different food, different everything different. But this is India. And wherever you go in India, you remain an Indian. And nobody will ever ask you, "Aap kyun yahan aaye?" And so we went there because there was a tremendous need and the local community wanted us to go there and my family supported us. So we went there. What we learned, I used to work at the Cancer Institute in Chennai and there we had a policy of treating everybody no matter what their socio-economic status. And yahi idea leke hum Silchar gaye. And where we learned that you can provide low cost or no cost treatment, boarding and lodging, फिर भी लोग इलाज नहीं कराएंगे. And there are very many perfectly valid reasons as to why they don't do that. They all work for daily wages. कैंसर का इलाज लंबा चलता है. बार बार अगर अस्पताल आना होता है, उनका इनकम सफ़र करता है. The family starves, so they don't come. Many of our patients are actually afraid of going despite all the support that is provided. अस्पताल जाने से डरते हैं. उनको लगता है अस्पताल जाएंगे उनका जो बचा खुचा पैसा है निकल जाएगा and they will all be on the streets. And so when we treat poor people, if you have a pro-poor strategy, 10 out of 10 times we have to prove it to them. Every time वो सड़क में आपको रोकते हैं, you have to demonstrate you mean what you say. अस्पताल में बात करते हैं, OPD में बात करते हैं. Every time the whole team, it has to be teamwork. It is not a one-man show. Doctors, nurses, technicians, ward boys, the doorman, दरवाजे में doorman to director, everybody must echo the same sentiment. And part of treatment, successful treatment is जब सबका इलाज होगा, 100 people come into the hospital, 100 people must avail of treatment. And to do that, part of it is economics, low cost treatment, boarding, but also a lot of it is confidence building. The person who walks in must feel every time they talk to somebody that they are supported, that they are needed. And this has been our main learning over the last
I think some of the points you've said are very valid. Unfortunately, whenever somebody falls ill or feels that he needs hospitalization, the first thought does not come that I need to see a doctor or go to a hospital. The first thought he thinks of, yaar isme kharcha kitna hoga? And it's the fear of the cost of getting, health services is one of the main reasons why a lot of the patients don't actually go to hospital. And were they to go there, I'm sure that in time, these dreaded diseases like cancer have been cured today.